Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I am going to show you how you can create a snowflake in Scratch. So first you need to open the Scratch window and rename my project. Prompt: Snowflake drawing. Now you need to go in events block and take when flag clicked. Then go in pen extension, go over here and add extension. Proper pen. Now you need to take erase all and pen down. Then you need to go in motion block and take move 150 steps. Yes, and then turn anti-clockwise 45 degrees. Proper. Go in control block and take wait 1 second. Then go in motion block again and take move 10 steps twice. Then move 50 steps, make up 150 and down 1 minus 50. Then you need to go in control block again and take wait 1 second. Then you need to go in motion block and take turn clockwise 90 degrees and move 50 steps. Go in control block again and take wait 1 second again, and then go in motion block and take move minus 50 and anti-clockwise 45 degrees. Proper. Now go in control block again and take wait 1 second. Then go in motion block and take move minus 150 steps. Proper. Now you need to, instead of 150 you can do it minus 120. Okay, fine. Now you need to turn clockwise 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Okay, now you need to go in control block and take repeat and put everything over here and 6 times. Okay, not everything. These two I need to remove from repeat, and then proper. This code. Now you need to test this app. Let's see. Okay. Okay, there is one mistake, that it is not taking the proper exact edge that it has made. Okay, so we'll figure it out. Okay, it made a hexagon in between. Wow, a different type of something. Okay, I will, let's see what is wrong. I figured it out in one go. Not 150, it's 120 steps. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, wait. First, I need to bring it to x0 and y0. Okay, first, go in pen block and take pen up, because then wherever I will take it, it will go there only. Yes, proper. And it will draw a line also, so that's why. Okay, you can see now it is taking a perfect point. You can see such a nice snowflake. Wow. So this is the overall snowflake drawing. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. Bye bye.